Unraveling the Mysteries of sklearn. Decomposition. Fast ICA. The sklearn, decomposition, fast ICA algorithm is a powerful tool for independent component analysis. ICA, a technique used to separate a multivariate signal into independent components. It's a versatile algorithm with applications in various fields, including signal processing, separating mixed audio signals, e.g., speech from background noise; medical imaging, isolating different brain regions in fMRI data; finance, discovering hidden factors influencing stock prices; machine learning, feature extraction for dimensionality reduction and improving model performance. The heart of fast ICA. Fast ICA is based on the principle of statistical independence among the underlying components. It assumes that the observed data is a linear mixture of independent sources, and it aims to find the mixing matrix and the independent components that best explain the observed data. Key concepts: independent components, the individual sources that contribute to the observed data, each with unique characteristics, e.g., frequency, amplitude, spatial location. Mixing matrix, a matrix that describes how the independent components are combined to form a observed data. Mixing matrix, the inverse of the mixing matrix, used to recover the independent components from the observed data. How fast ICA works. 1. Initialization. The algorithm starts with an initial guess for the mixing matrix. 2. Iterative optimization. It iteratively refines the mixing matrix by maximizing the non-Gaussianity of the estimated independent components. The goal is to find components that deviate as much as possible from a Gaussian distribution, as independent components tend to be non-Gaussian. 3. Convergence. The process continues until the mixing matrix converges to a stable solution, indicating that the independent components have been successfully extracted. Commonly used parameters. N components, the number of independent components to extract. Algorithm, the optimization algorithm to use. Popular choices include parallel and deflation. Whiten, whether to whiten the data before processing. Whitening ensures that the components have unit variance and are uncorrelated, facilitating faster convergence. Fun, the nonlinear function used to measure non-Gaussianity. The default choice is express, but other options include log_cosh, cube, and pow3. Maxiter, the maximum number of iterations for the optimization process. Toll, the tolerance for convergence. Random state, the random seed for initialization. Using fast ICA in sklearn. Python. From sklearn, decomposition, import fast ICA. From sklearn, preprocessing, import standard scalar. Load your data. X. Preprocess the data, standardize. Scalar, standard scalar. X-scaled scalar. Fit transform X. Initialize fast ICA. ICA fast IC and components 3. Algorithm parallel. Random state 42. Fit fast ICA to the data. ICA. Fit X scaled. Get the independent components. Components ICA. Transform X scaled. Get the mixing matrix. Mixing matrix ICA. Mixing. Reconstruct the original data. Reconstructed data ICA. Inverse transform components. Advantages of fast ICA. Robustness, can handle noisy data and extract meaningful components even in the presence of outliers. Flexibility, adaptable to different types of data and mixing models. Efficiency, often converges quickly, especially when using the parallel algorithm. Limitations of fast ICA. Sensitivity to initialization. The initial guess for the mixing matrix can influence the results. Assumptions requires data to be linearly mixed and independent components to be non-Gaussian. Interpretability: the extracted components may not always have clear interpretations, especially in complex data sets. Beyond the basics, choosing the number of components, utilize techniques like Scree plots or eigenvalue analysis to determine the optimal number of components. Assessing model performance: evaluate the quality of the extracted components using metrics like kurtosis, mutual information, or reconstruction error. Choosing the correct algorithm: experiment with different algorithms and nonlinear functions to optimize results based on the specific dataset and goals. In conclusion, FastICA is a powerful tool for independent component analysis, offering a robust and efficient way to extract hidden factors from multivariate data. By understanding its principles and parameters, you can effectively apply it to various domains, unlocking valuable insights and enhancing your analysis. Remember to carefully consider the assumptions, limitations, and evaluation techniques to ensure reliable and meaningful results.